State Ministry of Finance Shehan Singh announced the reissuance of bonds purchased by superannuation funds as part of the domestic debt optimization program, which was supposed to be carried out today, has been postponed to the 11th of September. During a special announcement on the 29th of June, the Governor of the Central Bank presented two proposals in relation to optimizing treasury bonds purchased by the superannuation funds. One such proposal was retrieving all existing treasury bonds from these funds and issuing new bonds in return. The new bonds will earn 12% interest until 2025 and 9% thereafter. The other proposal was to impose a 30% tax on funds that choose not to participate in the aforementioned process. Reissuance of bonds based on the decisions made by the funds was to be carried out today. However, State Ministry of Finance Shehan Singh revealed earlier today, since a case is being heard at the Supreme Court over the amendments to the Inland Revenue Act, the reissuance of bonds will be postponed to the 11th of September until the Supreme Court's verdict is announced. A petition was filed at the Supreme Court by Chaturanga Besinghe as a civilian, the Young Lawyers Association and the United Labour Association, claiming that a bill to amend the Inland Revenue Act to include provisions to impose a 30% tax on superannuation funds that do not agree to the reissuance of bonds was in a contravention to the Constitution. The examination of the petition at the Supreme Court concluded today. The petition argued that the domestic debt optimization program has not considered superannuation funds and government securities in a similar light, claiming that it is a violation of the Constitution. The petitioners pleaded that a referendum must be held to approve the bill.
President's
Counsel Sumandiran clearly pointed out to the court that restructuring superannuation funds alone is a violation of 12/1 of the Constitution and goes against Article 3 and 4.
සපුරා පටහැනි කියලා.
ආණ්ඩුව මේ ක්‍රියාවලිය කරන්න අවශ්‍ය කරන තීරණය දෙන්නේ මහ බැංකුව.
The central bank provides the decision for the government to carry out this process. When the fundamental rights petition was being examined, the governor of the central bank said they cannot make a decision regarding debt restructuring until taxes are increased. Once that bill came into parliament, we moved to court pleading for an order saying that it infringes the rights of the people and that it is against the legal structure of the country. This bill violates the constitution. Therefore, such an unjust law must only be passed through a 2/3 majority in parliament as well as a referendum.
පාර්ලිමේන්තු වරමක් හා ජනමත විචාරයක් සහිතව තමයි මේ වගේ අයුක්තිසහගත දෙයක් කළ යුත්තේ.
The decision of the three-judge bench regarding the examination of the petition will be conveyed to the parliament. Meanwhile, representatives of the IMF will arrive in Sri Lanka on the 15th of September to conduct the first periodic review in order to release the second tranche of funds under the extended fund facility.